Coach is like, what happens if they back hook your arm? Back hook my arm. You have people that do this? Okay, if people go to back hook your arm there, there's two things you can do. Go to that same side, back hook my arm. Okay. Back hook my arm. I'm going to pick it up, throw my hip in. That's okay if you want to do that. I'm good with this. You good with this? No. Crank that arm like real bad. So, yeah. The only reason usually people get back hooked is when they start to back out. I'm in here, and he starts to back out. That's when you get back hooked. See what happens to his hips? If his hips are on me, he's doing pressure forward, but he's pushing me away, I don't have any power here. There's no power for me to step through and pull that. Doesn't work. Don't sit like that. Drives me nuts. I know. We're already nuts. We're this shirt. All right, so we got to go back to the very first part. Before all the stuff I just showed you, you got two other lines of defense. What are they? Head, hands, and
Elbows.
elbows. I always like to show that first because everybody usually wants to start from that position. So we go head, hands, defense. None of you are pretty. Sorry, ladies. Not during wrestling season. You'd be pretty after wrestling season. You've got to use your face and get your face in the way of shots. It has to happen. If it doesn't happen, you're going to get ran over, trucked. I know I look like an angel, right? We've done this before. Listen to my nose. Oh, that doesn't connect anymore? That's from this. He goes and shoots. I get my head on him. I get my hands on him. I'm going to eat a couple. But it's better than giving up two. Better than being in consolations. Better than being up in the stands watching everybody else wrestle. Your nose will heal. It'll be okay. You'll live. Head and hands. Get your face at the same level as his face. So when he lowers his level, I lower my level. Trust me. You will never touch my legs. Trust me. You will still never touch my legs. Let me actually touch them. What's this? My alarm system. That's what this is. Watch. Ready? Do the exact same drill. Go. That's me. See, I don't even have to look. I'm not worried about him. I got my alarm system on. I know exactly where he's going, when he's going, how he's going, what's he posting, what leg's going to be his front leg, based on the pressure I feel off of this. Right here. Right here. This is awesome. You did it again. I know, it's twice. Your alarm system's going to save you a lot because it lets you know what's going on. Anybody ever get poked in the eye in wrestling? All the time, right? I detached my retina 3 times on one side, 1 time on the other side. I had to wear a face mask. It sucked. I couldn't see squat. But you know what happened? I put my alarm system on him and I knew where he was. So it wasn't that big of a deal. So the first thing you gotta understand, level changing, head position, alarm system, gonna block with my head, gonna block with my hands. Second thing are my forearms. I need to punish him. If he gets past my head, hands take a really good shot. If he gets past my head and hands, I gotta block him. Notice I didn't do this. I did this and then went to this. Everybody likes to do this. This is terrible. I gotta be here. Because if I'm here, it's hard to move it. If I'm here, it's really easy to move. I'm using more momentum, more force. Make sense? First line, head, hands. Second line, I call them your bows. Here's your bows. Boom, use your bows. Third line, that's my hips. So we're going to go through an alarm system drill. You're going to close your eyes. They're going to try to take you down. You're going to put your alarm system on. I don't care if you do it here, 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 here. I don't care where it is, but you got to have your alarm system on and your eyes closed. Got it? Wait.
Oh my God, Chris.
You're not going to regret it. backing up? Why are you backing up?
Come on.
Did he get to me? For how long? Why? Did you notice the first thing I did after he got to my leg? What'd I do? Hip, hip, hip. What happened to you? No, you're not supposed to. How was that cobra? Did that feel good? Yeah, I know. I'm going to teach that later. So, head, hands, defense, bows, hips. Right now we're putting an alarm system on. Everyone is going to want to chop, hop, drag you there. You got to understand you got to be moving your feet. Kids that wrestle like this get killed. Kids that wrestle like this, they win. You don't need to stomp big fires out. Stomp out little fires. Always moving your feet. That way your level change is easier, that way your attack's easier. 3, 2, 1.